just merely passing through, doing what we can do in our lifetime. We have more than one venture to play, more than one dream to make in our lifetime. As for me, there's only one dream, and that's to love you, my love, with the love to last a lifetime. So malayo.
Lain din, laki mo kasi.
We sometimes do crazy things, and our heart will take wings like a sparrow. But that's life. We'll take each day as it comes, never leaving the crumbs for tomorrow. As for me, all of my days I will spend them all with you, loving you with love to last a lifetime. If we all could live something lasting behind to be remembered by, just a song from me, and then at least I would have tried. I agree, it's not so much what we have as how we use what we have in our lifetime. 30 years is worth 102. It's really what we can do in our lifetime. All my love I will give for as long as I may live, with a love to last a lifetime.